The moment has arrived.
He's been seen on television.
I remember you and I love you.
And in publications around the world.
Juggling some very dangerous things.
He has over 20 years of experience.
The expert, Stewart.
And he's broken numerous world records.
A Guinness World Record holder in chainsaw juggling.
And today he broke another record.
So start your chainsaws.
This is the moment we've all been waiting for.
Stewart, we are talking circus tricks with a world record holder who is not afraid of a little danger.
Stewart is firing those bad boys up. By the way, don't do this at home. He holds the world record in this event. Juggling chainsaws.
He's Stewart, the world's premier chainsaw juggler.
Give it up for him, everyone!
Shopping und Pool auch ein Jahr.
Combines his talents as a comedian, daredevil, magician, and all-around stuntman to make your event a chainsaw cut above the rest. He is delightfully dangerous.
I love you guys!
Get ready to see your group on the edge of their seats as Stewart brings his record-breaking skills to the stage. Ian's comedy, danger, and unique interactions with the audience will keep your team laughing, engaged, and talking all about it.
The show was spectacular and generated all kinds of buzz for our event.
Everybody had a wonderful time. We definitely recommend it.
Don't miss this unique opportunity to witness a feat so dangerous, you'll want to see it again, and again, and again.
A Nova Scotia man has turned his hobby into a Guinness World Record breaker again.
You are a chainsaw juggler.
That's what I do.
Call Stewart now, or he will cut you.